welcome back. Gonna be doing a vampire Valentine's look today. I also just got these Valentine's nails, so I am ready to go. I also just got this weird haircut. I liked it the first day, but then ever since I'm just like, oh my god, what did I do? Kind of thing. So moving on, I heard a lot about this like white foundation. This LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation. So I'm gonna be trying that out for the white vampire base. So let's go. So I'm starting by applying that white foundation with a makeup sponge, just pressing it in until I get a nice even base. Then I'm setting everything with the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder to keep it matte and locked in. Next, I'm going in with my Maroon Bruise Wheel using the Burnt Maroon shade. I'm kind of smearing it onto my lips and dragging it out to the side, mostly with my fingers, just to start creating that messy, psycho vibe. Then I'm taking that same color on a small brush and applying it around my eyes, again keeping it super smudgy and imperfect. Next, I'm going in with a black liquid liner. This is the Sephora Intense Ink Liner. I start by doing a pretty normal wing, and then I build it out into a more dramatic graphic liner shape. I want the eyes to look different from each other, so on the other eye, I'm doing a totally different style of graphic liner. Then I'm taking this Cryolens Supercolor black grease paint and filling in those graphic shapes, really packing it on so it looks super black and intense. I'm also using that same black on half of my lips, right over the red, and just smearing it and blending it out. Now it's time to add a little Valentine's Day moment. I'm taking a pink shade and painting a small heart right next to my mouth. Then I bring some of that pink under my eye as well, just to spread the color a bit more across the face. And I add one more little pink heart above my eyebrow. Then I'm taking a red shade and adding a little bit of that into the hearts and just blending it slightly into the pink. I'm also dabbing some of that pink onto the mouth area and then bringing it on down to the neck. After that, I go in with the red and do the same thing, applying it in more of a swooshing downward flicking motion. And then I layer black on top, kind of randomly and chaotically, just to add that messy, psycho energy. I'm also adding some smeared black around the edges of the hearts to help outline them and make them feel more grungy. Now for some blood, I'm using Maroon Squirt Blood and pouring it onto my closed mouth, letting it drip down naturally. I also pour some over my eye, closing my eye, and letting it drip down like bloody tears. Then I'm spreading it out a bit around my mouth with my brush. I tried to dab some of it off because it got into my eyeball, and yeah, that did not feel good, so I don't recommend doing that. So I rinsed my eye, and of course the blood washed off too, and because of that, I am just going in and applying a bunch of black instead. Now I'm using Maroon coagulated blood, and I'm applying a lot of that around the eye area and on the lips and mouth to really get that dark, thick blood look. I'm also lightly tapping a bit of the blood onto the hearts. Then I popped in some red contacts and changed, and the transformation is complete. Psycho Valentine Vampire is on the loose and ready to feed.